quarantine. We made it through Friday the 13th. Nothing bad happened. My husband went to go play games with friends. We're gonna go to dinner at his mom's house later, and but I'm gonna take Clover to the park before it looks like it's gonna rain, maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna do that right now so that he can get nice and tired so I can do some work later. But I just got my Amazon packages. I'm very excited. Let's do the Amazon unboxing! All right, I don't know which is in which. Let's see. Ooh, pull tab to open. I love easy open. Let's see. Oh boy. All right. I'm glad they sent this in a bag because if this had broken, this would have been bad. I'm trying this Eucerin in-shower moisturizer because I can't be bothered to put lotion on after my shower. I mean, come on. These are really first world problems, but I'm gonna try it and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Yay. Next, I got a new Bondi for my car. I got a Bondi Plus. So this is for my phone when I'm driving so I can see directions about where to go. Let me see if it fits the phone nicely. I got a new one because I just recently got an iPhone 8 Plus and it's bigger than my iPhone 6S, so it's not fitting my iPhone anymore. All right, moment of truth. It looks really huge. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, it might work. Oh, okay. That's legit. That's cool. All right, that works pretty well. Look, and it hangs from the rear view mirror so that you can see, so you don't have to look too far off the road to look at your like GPS and stuff. Bondi, and he's really cute. Look at him. He's like a little cute dude. All right, I hate that it's pink. I mean, frankly, my other one's black, but the only color they had was pink, so I just want to go with it. But you know, yay, finally. The other one, trying to cram this big one into my little one has been driving me crazy, so I'm very happy with this. Yay. All right, next box. Well, this one needs a scissor. Oh, yay. You know, I don't know if this fabric softener is discontinued, but I like it. This is the Downy Unstoppables fabric softener. I got 2 bottles, and they're little and cute, and I like to use this. So, you know, hey. And lastly, very exciting for Mr. Clover, got some Jack and Pup bully sticks. These are the 6-inch ones. I'm hoping these last a while. They look pretty substantial and nice. So these got like the best reviews from Amazon, and my little Clover loves a good bully stick, so maybe after we come back from the park, he can have one later in the afternoon. Bully sticks are the pizzle of a cow pizzle, bull pizzle. If you don't know what pizzle is, look it up. You'll be grossed out. Anyway, Mr. Clover is probably very happy about that. You happy about this? What say you? You just want to go to the park and play? Okay. All right, I'll get ready. Let's go.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other. So much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
All right, so I am back. It has been almost 3 hours since we left for the dog park, and time flies when we're there. It's more of a social event on Saturdays now than like a dog exercising event, and plus there's so much cuteness. There's so many cute dogs that you just end up staying there for a while, so Clover is wiped out. I did see he slowed down. He slowed down about 15 minutes ago, so I was just like, you know what, we're done. But he was having a great time, so he's gonna be super tired all day, which is fantastic. I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch, just a little bit, and I'm gonna do my seasonal closet declutter because it is close to my birthday. We won't talk about which birthday it is, but I like to do a little shopping on my birthday, like clothes shopping, so I'd like to declutter some of the stuff I'm not wearing to make room for a couple of new things, because I also get that Anthropologie gift card or that like coupon on my birthday, so I just like to like treat myself and buy myself a couple of things and Anthro every year for my birthday. So I'm gonna see what I can get rid of. I know there's stuff I have to get rid of in my closet, but first, eating. All right, I've had my lunch. Little Clover is sleeping. It's time to get rid of some stuff in there. Let's go. The first thing I really wanted to do was to go through all of my hanging items to make sure I was wearing everything in that collection. I have pretty much purged this collection pretty well, so everything in there I really liked, except for one sweater that I just decided was just too old, and one that I had to take care of actually because it had some pilling on it. But I went and decluttered my sock drawer as well. I go through socks so fast. I don't know what it is. They always have holes in the toes. They just get really worn down really quickly. So doing the sock drawer was definitely something that was way overdue, and I got rid of like 3 or 4 pairs that were damaged or not cute anymore. So I also wanted to go through my t-shirt collection and get rid of anything that I really wasn't wearing and that I thought was really bad quality. I had some t-shirts that I bought a long time ago that were either had holes in the armpits or they were just, I had like tiny little holes in them, and I just decided, you know what, I am almost having a birthday. I need to buy things that are great quality. And how sad is it when you have to move the dog? It's so sad. He was so comfortable there, but I had to get into that bottom drawer to go and declutter my loungewear and sleepwear. I am a big fan of loungewear and sleepwear. I have a lot of it and I use a lot of it. So that collection was pretty difficult to cull, but I really did a good job of getting rid of stuff I really wasn't wearing either in spring seasons or in winter seasons. I just was really ruthless about it. I actually got rid of everything that didn't have a pocket. Going through dresses is another really difficult thing for me because I have a quite extensive collection of dresses, but I did get rid of one that I'm going to actually sell on eBay. I'm not going to just give it away because somebody wants that dress. I actually got rid of some stuff in my seasonal box as well. This box had gotten quite a bit of dust in it over winter, so I just took my vacuum to it, and Clover wanted to check it out as well. All the donation stuff went in bags, and I was ready to go. All right, I am all done. Let me show you what I'm giving away. Here are the bags of things I'm giving away. The things that were damaged, I went ahead and just trashed them, like socks with holes in them and stuff. I'm not gonna give those away. But these jeans, and some of these jeans are just too small for me. I'm not comfortable wearing them anymore, so they have to go bye-bye. They're kids' jeans, actually, to be totally honest with you, because I still wear kids' jeans, but these are like kids' jeans that fit, kids' jeans that don't fit. So we're gonna give that stuff away. So I made a lot of space in my closet. The thing that made me the most happy was to organize my sock drawer. So now I don't have any socks with holes in them or the socks I hate, so that everything's in there. I have a lot of these like comfy socks. Look at these, there's like a little dog face on it. I love those for wearing around the house. And I also made quite a dent in my t-shirt collection. I do wear a lot of t-shirts. I'm a t-shirt kind of gal. These are like all my printed t-shirts, and these are all my solid t-shirts. I just got rid of any ones that I didn't feel like were good quality, and then I wasn't reaching for. So these are the current t-shirt collection. So I've got a little room in here to put some more, to put a couple more. So I think I still might downsize a little bit. Like, I'm not sure how much I love like these guys. Actually, let's do it. Boom. There. So you gotta be ruthless. So when it comes to solid t-shirts, I'm kind of boring. So I want to get some that are like nice, basic colors, so I don't feel like I have to choose like a crazy teal or something like that. So that's what's up with that. These are just sweaters. I didn't get rid of any of these because I still wear all of these. And jeans, I now have like 3 pairs left or something. So new jeans definitely on the list because I go through jeans. I love jeans. So I normally like to have like 5 or 6 pairs. Pants I didn't touch because I only have a few pairs of pants and I wear them all the time. Pajamas and loungewear I did make quite a dent in. I'm a big fan of pajamas and loungewear. As you can see, this is like the biggest drawer of all of them. But I got rid of what I wasn't using and wearing, and any pants without pockets, because that's a thing now for me. So, but everything in here else I love and I use. Yay! All right, I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed my closet declutter for VEDA day 14, and I will see you tomorrow for day 15, which, you know what, I'm probably gonna film right now so that I can chill out tomorrow. I have got some cleaning up to do around here, and we'll see if I can get it done in 30 minutes, because I don't want to be like hanging around in 30, and I have 40 minutes left on the clock, so let's do this thing. I will see you tomorrow. Happy Saturday. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. If you are subscribed and you're not seeing videos from me, what are you doing? Click that bell to get notifications every time. All right, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Stay neat. Bye.
Close to each other, so much to discover.